Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Kids Slackline is probably one of the most exciting and beneficial outdoor toys you can get for your children, offering a fantastic way to improve their balance, coordination, and core strength while they have an absolute blast playing outside. Imagine the joy on their faces as they learn to master this fun challenge, developing physical skills that will serve them well throughout their lives, all while enjoying the fresh air and sunshine. This isn't just a toy, it's an investment in active, healthy childhood development that encourages outdoor play and provides hours of entertainment. Number 5. FLYBOLD 57 Feet Slackline Kit. Introducing the FLYBOLD 57 Feet Slackline Kit, your all-in-one solution for outdoor fun and fitness. This complete set is perfect for both kids and adults, offering endless entertainment for the whole family. Enhance your focus, strength, and coordination with this 57-foot balance rope. It's designed with training support to help beginners master tightrope walking and develop essential core strength through active play. Transform your backyard into an exciting obstacle course. This kit provides a fun outdoor challenge for everyone, supporting up to 300 pounds for safe and reliable enjoyment. Whether you're practicing slackline zipline training or traditional walking, this versatile tool adapts to your needs. It installs easily between trees and adjusts quickly for users of any skill level. Crafted from premium webbing and robust twin gear ratchets with protective covers, it ensures secure tension and long-lasting durability. Enjoy worry-free outdoor adventures with this built-to-last design. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive package with everything you need to get started, including a training line for beginners. If you are looking for a complete and versatile setup for the whole family to enjoy, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The product is very easy to set up and use. It is a great way for kids to develop balance and coordination. The slackline is made of durable material and seems to be very safe. Number 4. Trailblaze 60 Feet Slackline Kit. Elevate your family time with our heavy-duty slackline kit. It's designed to help kids build strength and confidence. Why not join them for a fun challenge? This all-in-one kit includes everything you need for parkour fun. It features a 60 feet slackline, training line, tree protectors, and a carry bag for improved strength and safety. As a US and UK operated company, we stand behind our products. Enjoy peace of mind with our 3-year brand warranty. Backyard fun has never felt so good. Let your children enjoy the outdoors with this ultra-durable slackline. Set it up in the backyard or at the park for fresh air and challenging activities with friends. Crafted from high-tensile, weather-resistant materials, it's built to last. Unlike others that fray, this kit is designed for countless hours of use. Beyond exciting adventures, it improves core strength, balance, and coordination. It's the perfect balance between fun and fitness for everyone. What we like. This option provides a longer premium line and wider tree protectors for enhanced safety and setup flexibility. If you prioritize durability, extensive coverage for trees, and peace of mind with a long warranty, this kit is ideal for your backyard adventures. What people say. It is fairly easy to set up, being careful to keep the line straight and flat, especially where it loops around the tree. And you must crank the ratchet really tight to keep the line taut. This feels like a good quality mechanism and a sturdy strap, so as long as you don't let it get damp and rust, or let the strap get too dirty, it should last a long time. I like the high contrast orange color that makes it hard for bystanders to accidentally walk into the line once it's up. The parts are of good quality and is fairly easy to set up and to take down. It is pretty durable too. Found my son hanging upside down on the top guide line that is used as a hand hold and it held his weight. He weighs about 80 pounds. Number 3. Fofana Ninja Slider Slackline Pulley, Red. Turn your ordinary slackline into an exhilarating zipline adventure. This pulley adds a thrilling new dimension to your backyard obstacle course, perfect for outdoor challenges. Bring endless excitement to your backyard with this amazing zipline kit. It's perfect for creating a fun ninja course or simply adding a touch of adventure for the whole family. Get your zipline ready for action in a mere 2 minutes. It easily attaches to slacklines, making spontaneous outdoor fun incredibly simple. This slider pulley is built for durability, capable of supporting up to 250 pounds. It's designed for lasting fun, whether for kids or a challenging ninja course. Create the ultimate outdoor adventure in your backyard, at the park, or while camping. Add this to your play equipment and watch them conquer every obstacle with excitement. What we like. This accessory is designed to add a thrilling zipline element to your existing slackline setup. If you're looking to inject more excitement and variety into your outdoor activities, especially for kids who love speed and adventure, this pulley is a fantastic addition. What people say. It's nice quality and slides easily on the line. They are easy to install and are a good fit as a replacement part. Worked great on our Ninja line. It was the first challenge and the kids loved zipping down to the next challenge in the line. It weathered well too, so was very durable. Number 2. Hyponix Slackline Kit 70-foot with training line. Experience the ultimate slacklining adventure with our 70-foot kit. It offers unparalleled length, allowing for setups from 10 to 65 feet apart, making it perfect for any location. This comprehensive kit provides exceptional value. You'll receive not only the main slackline but also a training line, balance line, carrying bag, and more, all packaged in a giftable box. Safety and durability are paramount. Our kit features industrial-grade components with a robust 440 pounds rating, ensuring a secure and reliable experience for both adults and children. Enjoy a superior slacklining experience with our innovative dual-gear ratchet. It significantly reduces sagging by 50%, keeping the line taut and off the ground. We stand by our product with a commitment to customer satisfaction. Our "it breaks, we replace" warranty covers any issues, ensuring you're always taken care of. What we like. This is the longest slackline kit available, offering maximum setup flexibility and a high weight capacity. If you have a large outdoor space or need a robust and stable line for users of all sizes, this extended kit with its advanced ratchet system is the perfect solution. What people say. Very sturdy and well made. The slackline is very easy to set up almost anywhere. The upper hand hold strap is a very nice extra with the line. Easily supports family members of all ages and sizes, even large adults, super easy to put up and take down. Number 1. Lily's Things Ninja Slackline Climbing Ladder. Get your kids off the couch and into the great outdoors with our exciting climbing ladder attachment. It's designed to bring endless fun and imaginative play to your backyard. Scale new heights, pretend you're on a pirate ship, or train like a ninja. The possibilities for adventure are as limitless as your child's imagination. Add a fun and challenging element to your existing slackline or playset. Installation is simple, providing versatile play options for active kids. This quality rope ladder is built for kids, offering a safe and engaging way to climb and swing. It hangs securely with no slack for a stable climbing experience. Experience a climbing challenge like no other. It offers a unique setup for an accurate and engaging obstacle course, providing maximum strength and fun. Enhance your Ninja Warrior obstacle course with this essential accessory. Metal buckles are required for secure attachment to our slackline sets. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you're not completely happy with your purchase, we offer a full 100% 30-day money-back guarantee. What we like. This is a specialized attachment that adds a climbing ladder to your slackline or obstacle course. If you want to introduce a new physical challenge and enhance the Ninja Warrior experience for kids, this accessory provides a unique and engaging way to play. What people say. Works great for the kids to climb up to reach the other obstacles. Fun for kids practicing their ninja skills, used by 8 to 14-year-olds. Hardware included allowed for easy attachment to Ninja set. Colors match the other Lily's Things. Kept out for 2 months in the fall through rainy and windy weather. Quality product, durable, and I know will last us a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.